Welcome to the Ferry Meadows campsite, which is part of the Caravan and Motorhome Club.
Oh, that's me done.
Ferry Meadows is located within the absolutely beautiful Nene Park. Stunning grounds, gorgeous walks, cycle rides, water sports, local golf club, and even a steam train ride. You do need to check, however, when the steam trains are running, because currently while we are here they're only running on Saturdays and Sundays. Because Ferry Meadows is located within Nene Park, it's actually near the end of a dead-end lane, which means there's no passing traffic. So it makes for a very quiet location in the evening. Although we have noticed there's a little tiny bit of distant road noise from a nearby trunk road. But this does not detract from the fact that the site is located in an absolutely beautiful area, and also has bus stops within 15 minutes walking distance to visit the neighbouring historic town of Peterborough. Nene Park has a number of different walks and cycle paths and features 3 different lakes. So we have the reception here, a barrier that's operated via a card, plus a little information hut. The pitches are well spaced. We are on a hard standing pitch with electric but no water and no drainage. Now we paid just over £30 a night for this pitch. So you got rubbish area, grey water waste with a freshwater drinking tap, and Elson Point. Here we have a shower block. Caravan and Motorhome Club, if you don't know, are currently grading their Wi-Fi and upgrading it at the time of filming. So you have a gold, a silver and a bronze standard, and Ferry Meadows is currently a silver standard. So located about 11 miles from Ferry Meadows campsite is also an RSPB centre. So if you've been following our videos for a while, you'll know that actually we've stopped at Peterborough to break up the journey from our mini East Coast tour. We've had a fantastic time on our mini East Coast tour. If you've not seen those videos, please go and check them out. But really, Ferry Meadows is more than just a stopping point, because it is set in such a beautiful location. It's given us a relaxing way to round off our mini East Coast tour. So that, everyone, was the Ferry Meadows Caravan and Motorhome Club site near Peterborough. We hope you found that video informative. If you did, as always, please remember to give it the thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, why aren't you subscribed? Please look for a link at the end of the video to do just that. See you soon. Now they do offer boat trips around the lake. They'll last about 30 minutes, but only during school holidays. Living life on the edge. I've ditched the cardigan.
There's enough space here. Play tig. Action cam! Action cam! I'm catching the teenage.